Ano yan?
Okay, just some instructions before going inside.
Okay.
The entire room is made out of projectors and very sensitive cloth.
Okay.
So please try not to touch anything, okay?
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you. A layered ultra space. O, marami pa pala, Michael. O, ingat lang. O. Dandahan kasi mga projector. Ano to? Sensitive pala. Projector siya, di ba? Oo. Ibig sabihin, marami pa talagang hindi tayo napuntahan. Dapat talaga silipin.